Fixing Messenger video call connection issues.
Hello everyone. We all know that connection issues during video calls can be really frustrating, especially if you're in the middle of an important conversation. In today's video, we're going to walk through how to fix connection issues during a Messenger video call.
Check your internet connection.
The first thing you should always do when you're experiencing connection problems is to check your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, you might want to try moving closer to your router. If you're using cellular data, check that you have enough data allowance and you're in an area with good reception.
Restart your device.
Sometimes, simply restarting your device can fix connection issues. To do this, you can power off your device and then turn it back on. Make sure to wait a few seconds between powering off and on to ensure a complete reboot.
Update your Messenger app.
Another possible solution is to update your Messenger app. Sometimes, older versions of apps can have bugs that can cause problems like connection issues. Check in your device's app store to see if there's an update available for Messenger.
Clear Messenger app cache.
If you're still having issues, you might need to clear your Messenger app's cache. This process varies depending on whether you're using an Android or iOS device. For Android, go to Settings to Apps to Messenger to Storage to clear cache. For iOS, unfortunately, there isn't a built-in way to clear cache for individual apps on iOS. However, uninstalling and reinstalling the app will clear its cache.
Contact Messenger support.
If you've tried all of the above and are still experiencing connection problems, you might need to contact Messenger support. You can do this through the app itself or by visiting the Facebook Help Center. We hope this video has helped you troubleshoot and fix any connection issues you were having during your Messenger video calls. Remember, there's always a solution out there. Sometimes it just takes a bit of troubleshooting to find it. Thanks for watching, and happy video calling!